What's up, fuckers? Yeah, you heard me. How you doing? Um, I think this might be my first video. I'm not sure yet, but um, yeah. They call me Red Tech.
Go do some fishing.
Not really. I just came up with it. But yeah. Um, so if you're wondering what we're doing, we're going fishing, trout fishing to be exact, and we don't catch anything because I don't know actually. But yeah. My name's Andrew. For everyone who doesn't know, um, this will be a YouTube channel, and yeah, this bike is a piece of shit, so I may stall it. I'm a professional rider. I have 0 sponsors, but that's okay. Actually, I still be riding. But yeah, this is my pit bike, and actually right up here, I believe I stall it. And do I plan on getting a mic? Fucking yeah. Fucking yeah. Because well, I do it now, sounds good. But I'm not sure what I did here. Oh,
Might help
gas.
if I turn the gas on.
Yeah, I've been doing that lately because I've been traveling with this hunk of junk. But yeah, I got it for 200 bucks, and I saw other moto vloggers out there, and I thought it would be fun to it would be fun if I could make one, make a channel, maybe get big. If I don't, then I don't. But this is our trail that goes along the Hudson River, and it's also a snowmobile trail. Stay tuned for winter. I have but motherfucking yeah. Do I swear? Yes. Quite a bit. And if you watch my videos, you better have your ears. But I don't know what really to talk about. Comment below what you want to know about me, and I'll be sure to answer your shit. Um, the camera I use is the GoPro Hero 3 Silver Edition. Um, what else? What questions? I'm 15. Um, but but yeah, you know, this trail is really fun. Other than I had no front suspension, and when I go over something, it makes a clunky noise because I have no front suspension. Um, I will try to upload weekly, but 1 video per week, and then when I get bigger, I do like maybe like 3 videos per week. And when I hit,
Well, we're going out to do some
if
fishing.
I ever hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway.
Trout.
Of what? Probably an iPad. Actually, maybe a sticker. Actually, that sounds more reasonable. Yeah, I give away a sticker, motherfuckers. Actually, I'll give away my GoPro because I might get a new one because time to upgrade. The Hero 4 just came out, and I really like one. But we're almost to our fishing spot here. I suck dick at editing, so that's how that goes. And this video is like 13 minutes long. Actually, I don't know, but yeah. Um, I don't really have many places to ride. I made a kind of a trail. I'll be making way more trails, hopefully. And I will be getting a bigger bike soon, because this, as I call it, the Jap bike, or China bike. Jap bike sounds better. I want to get like a 125, maybe 250. I'm not sure like what brand. Tell me what brand's the best down below.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think in KTM. Or Yamaha. I'm not a big fan of their slugs or anything, but their dirt bikes, they're alright.
Here we are.
I like them. But here's our fishing spot. I go down here. And I don't show much of me fishing. Mostly because my camera was running low on storage space. It can only run up to like an hour of, well, that's a quick fishing clip. It's up to like an hour of storage, and I have previous videos and I can't find neutral right here. It's all the way down one up, but I guess it's sometimes hard to find. And yeah, I think you guys see my feet. It's all stock. It came like that. It seems like I get this punk jump going. And that is my friend Mason right there. You may see him in more moto vlogs. He should be getting a dirt bike here soon. Dirt bike, SSR. I let him ride my dirt bike here and there. He's gonna hang with it. And yeah, I'm not really. I feel weird when I'm talking. It feels like I'm talking to myself, but I'm really talking to whoever the fuck you are. You're probably nice. Maybe. I don't know. But we're heading home. I got a few hits. Next time I go somewhere, I'm getting fucking big SD card. But yeah, I hope this channel gets big, because why the fuck not? And I might play a really cool song and let this video continue, because I don't know what to talk about. Actually, I don't know. But guess we can talk about, if you guys wanna follow me on Instagram, it's 52 Sanders, and then Sanders is SANDERSSS, 4 S's. Yeah, check me out there. And then yeah, I think I'm waiting for my friend here. Oh fuck, what did I do? Try doing a donut, but it didn't work. But oh really? I'm getting the hang of it, so getting there. But when you go down this trail here, it goes along the golf course, and that's really fun to go on. Usually find golf balls or something and whack them. I made a video on my other channel of that, but yeah, okay, this sucks. And my other channel, it's just Andrew Sanders. It should be like maybe the first or second one up there. It's me doing a wheelie on my snowmobile. You can't miss it, you know. You feel me? But right there's a golf course right there, motherfucker. And one year I went out there on my snowmobile, and you know, I got, actually I didn't get caught, I got spoken to. But yeah, waiting for my friend here. It felt kind of like me. I was on a dirt bike, he was on a regular bike. Well, hey, by a dirt bike, we could be both down there. Yeah, faster. What else should I talk about? If you guys, yeah, I don't know. I just cut the video here and play music for the rest of the video, because by the looks of things that it's actually, looks like the video stops like right here. I don't even make it home. Huh. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna cut the video here. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and there's gonna be more videos. When I get my mic, the videos will be funnier. Trust me on that. Peace.